Welcome to the Velocipede handcar exhibit. This self-propelled, three-wheeled car was once the bicycle of the railway system, used mostly by officials to inspect the railway or to travel where they had crews of men working. It was crucial to the development of the Interurban railway. Velocipedes made getting around the miles of track much faster than walking or riding a traditional bicycle. Keep in mind, at the turn of the century, personal automobiles were not yet accessible to most. Often due to the uneven terrain, riding a traditional bicycle alongside the tracks was not possible. So a method of traveling down the railway other than in the railcar was needed. Velocipedes like this became widespread amongst railway companies across the United States after George Sheffield, a Michigan farmer, was discovered traveling without consent on local railway tracks using his homemade contraption, which later became known as the three-wheeled velocipede. He went on to patent his invention and was first to manufacture and sell velocipedes with flanged wheels to railway companies. Boland made great use of the velocipede when building the Interurban Railway. The first thing to travel the tracks of Grass Lake's railway was actually a velocipede, not a trolley car. Warrell Wilson, W.A. Boland's son-in-law, was the first to travel the rails between Grass Lake and Jackson.